Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the holiday air care items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now if you are looking for more Christmas visual videos, I've got you covered. I have already uploaded a ton. We have been finding all kinds of really awesome items that are being overlooked out there. So if you've missed out on any of my most recent videos, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at all the items that are included in our holiday air care category. We're going to start off with our True Living and our Airwick products. Now all of these items are currently sitting at 25 cents at Dollar General right now. If you're ever curious of the date that I post a video, all that information is in the description box right down below. Now y'all just hear me out, because I know that a lot of you are sitting there thinking, listen, Craz-E Coupons, we've already wiped these stores clean. We looked high, we looked low, and we looked everywhere we go. And we bought all of these air care items at 25 cents when they dropped on Tuesday. Okay, I'll give y'all that, because I did see the pictures and you all did fantastic. However, I want you to keep in mind that Tuesday was just a crazy day. Everybody was running in, running out, and a lot of people missed a lot of things. Also, I want you guys to remember that it's Dollar General. You just never know what's going to happen with Dollar General. The employees could walk into the back room tomorrow and find an entire display of Glade air care, okay? So you just never know what you're going to find when you go out shopping at Dollar General. And that is the reason why I wanted to go ahead and put this video together. We have every single holiday air care item in this video. We have all the UPCs, and for those of you who do your homework and study up and watch the videos all the way through and watch the videos a couple of times, you all will be prepared when these items drop to 10 cents and also when they drop to 1 penny, because I can guarantee you it never fails. Every single year I find air care at 1 penny. And I really think that that's because the majority of people just kind of write it off. They just stop looking for these items because they just assume that everything's already been bought and they're not going to take the time to look. So they're just like, you know what? Why waste my time? And that's fine by me, because I will be happy to pick those items up at 1 penny. And I know a bunch of my Craz-E couponing friends will also be happy to find those items at 1 penny. And if we all do our homework, we're not even going to have to put in that much effort, because these items will literally just pop off the shelves at us. I mean, there's so many of these items that are going to be mixed in with the regular air care section, set down on the end caps throughout the store. Somebody's picked them up, thought about it, set it back down. I even found some in the clearance section the other day. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because you just never know what you're going to find when you go out shopping at DG. It is full of surprises. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody, we still have those digital coupons. If you haven't used them already, we still have the $1.75 off one for the Airwick and the $3.30 off two for the Febreze. And then hopefully at the beginning of February, we will receive some new Febreze coupons. So fingers crossed on that one. All right, guys, now I'm going to let you all study up. I'm going to turn on a little music. That way you guys can check out the rest of these items that are included in our holiday air care category. And I will be back with you toward the end of the video with some more information. Alright guys, now we are almost to the end of the video, so I just wanted to jump back in for a real quick second. Take a look at all of these Glade holiday air care products. Man, there are a ton of these out there, and make sure that y'all are paying attention to the slides because I have put some exclusions in here as well. A couple days ago, one of my very sweet family members passed away, unfortunately. So yesterday we were doing the funeral and the family and all of the things. So it kind of threw my schedule off just a little bit. But I do have the new clearance information and penny list information for next Tuesday, which will be Tuesday, January the 30th. So I'm working on that video. I should have that one up within the next couple of hours, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. If you have any pictures of your Christmas hauls that you want to send in, I will be checking Instagram and my email before I post that video. So if you want anything included, if you want to tell us about anything that you've found, please send them on in, and that way I can include them in the next video. Now, for those loyal Craz-E couponers who always stick around until the end and watch the videos all the way through and never miss a beat on any information, I do want to go ahead and give y'all a quick little heads up and my educated guess on when all of these Christmas items are going to penny out. And my best guess is going to be that these items penny out on February the 6th. And again, that is on a Tuesday. So y'all mark your calendars down. That's going to be a big day. I know that a lot of us think this stuff is already wiped out, but I promise you, we will still be finding Christmas items for many weeks to come. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Again, I'm going to be posting some pictures of hauls. We've got that second video coming up later on today. So stick around, stay tuned, and y'all know the drill. Before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.